I just purchased the Echo CS 490. So this thing retails for $350, and it is by far way more saw than what $350 gets you elsewhere. So let's check it out. Okay, first thing, you got a simple choke lever that you pull back when you start this thing. Then your kill switch, so you just flip that on and you pull it till you hear it turn over. Then you pull it and then it goes. It's one of the fastest starting saws I've ever been able to work with. The crankcase is metal. It's a magnesium crankcase. These dogs here are like not plastic, they're real burly dogs. 20-inch bar. But what I really like is that this plate doesn't close up right here like other brands do. This is wide open, which is probably why they had to put that there. And it stays clean, like all the sawdust freely comes out. It's not getting caught up and gunked up. There's your bar oil adjustment. Here you got a easily accessible filter. You can pull it out, clean it quite easily. Spark plug, carbies here. A big selling point for me was the weight. It's not too bad, but then when you hold it like this, it balances itself, which is really good if you're felling trees. You can get there, you can make your face cut, and you're not fighting the saw trying to get it level. You hold it and it's quite balanced. That's quite nice. It doesn't have the like aiming indicator. There's a bolt here, and I use that, and that seemed to line it up pretty good. But yeah, it doesn't have the solid black line. It's nice and comfortable. It doesn't feel like a 20-inch bar. Like, I mean, it is, but it's light and it's really awesome. So a big reason why I ended up getting this one is because I wanted the 50.2 cc motor. I wanted to be able to get through some big stuff, some harder wood. If I'm on the trail, I wanted the extra oomph. Field test. First big guy that saw's been through and handled it like a champ. I'm extremely happy with that performance. Took me longer to walk out here than it did to cut this. By far the most saw for the money compared to the other orange brands.